Hello there, YouTube. Today is Monday, February 20th. I actually rode yesterday on this, and I got a new Hero 11. I said I swore I'd never buy another GoPro product, but I did. And I had my my GoPro set too low, so it was shooting right down here. I guess I'm not used to using this yet. But today is Monday, February 20th. It's President's Day. It's my birthday, and I got a day off. So I'm going to go get a state inspection. I think the state offices are closed, so I won't be able to go get a new sticker. Mine expire in 2/23, but I can probably go order it online and get it. A little chilly. It's supposed to be like 77 today, but it's a little chilly yet. Hopefully I got my GoPro set right. I can't tell. I got that little thing. I think it's all right now. I just stared at that yesterday, so I didn't use it. So I'm going to get the state inspection, then I may go home and just keep riding this. I was going to go home and get the Goldwing. Haven't ridden it in a while. God, it's a lot cooler than I thought it was going to be. But I'm not going far. Gonna go up to there's an oil change place that does state inspections here. Believe it or not, I spent 36 years in the house, and probably 38 years in Williamson County. And Williamson County is like $28 or $32 for a state inspection. Up here, it's $7 no matter what vehicle you have. $7 on a Goldwing, $7 on a Spider, $7 on a car. So much better. They don't do the emissions test here like they do there. And it's really fast and easy to get things done. That's a lot cooler than I thought it was going to be. I'm glad I put my little warmer clothes back in here if I go for a ride. We got the grandkids today, and they showed up, and I put Carson was tired, so I rocked him. He went right to sleep, laid him down, and he's sleeping. It is only 10:10, so I'm going to have to get some a little bit warmer clothes on for a while if I go for a ride. I went for a ride yesterday. I went all the way to McKinney, the back way, 380, and man, it was crowded. It was really weird. I went and got gas right at the intersection. It was like 281. So I went out and I got in that lane, but that long turn lane was wide. I almost pulled right out in front of a car and got creamed because I was watching all the other cars coming, see if I can get an open lane. He moved over and boom. I just like, woo, slammed on the brakes, and I just almost got nailed. It was my fault. Just so much traffic there on 75 and 380. Just so much traffic. And I won't go over there again. I usually stay away from those places. They're really busy. 380 is nice, though. I went through Farmersville, where I've been through several times before. Went through Princeton. And Princeton's got a nice high school. Just like Caddo Mills has a nice high school right up here. Wow, it's chilly. I thought it was supposed to be 77, 85 tomorrow. According to the news, it's supposed to be like 85 on Tuesday. That's too warm, actually. We were driving down to the coast last Sunday, and believe it or not, south, these trees were turning bright green like it's springtime down there. I mean, it's amazing. The trees are just bright green, like the trees are blooming down there. Not up here yet. But it should happen in March, pretty soon. Especially if it gets to 85, 80s, and 85. Well, it's chilly right now, though. As the gas trucks coming in here and getting gas to deliver all the gas stations. Well, we had that ice storm. Man, there were a bunch of them going in and out of there because they couldn't get out during when we had the ice for a few days. Nobody got out and got gas anyway, unless they're stupid. Everything was covered in ice. Went by our old house on the way home from the beach, and we had the live oak trees. Everybody has live oak trees, and man, you wouldn't believe all the trees down and all the limbs down. All the streets in Leander Cedar Park just lost limbs, and even my old house lost a bunch of them, so they had to trim those up. Never lost anything up here. We got different trees, so they don't break off like they did up there. The live oaks just kind of broke off. I never lost a branch. My trees are probably like younger. Hopefully I got my video up so it's not spacing down, so bye. Well, I think my GoPro was recording the whole time I was getting my state inspection. I guess I don't know if it shut off. I just turned that back on and it was still blinking. I thought I turned it off, but I'll have to weed through that. I'm going to go to the state office in Greenville. I doubt if they're open, because it is President's Day, but the schools are open here. Caddo Mills High School was open, which was, maybe they're making up for the 3 snow days, those ice days they had, like 3 or 4 days. Everything was closed. They had to make up for that probably. So let's see if I get lucky, and if they're not open, that's fine. It's not as warm as I thought it was going to be today. Well, it's early yet.